we're putting a lightweight Lithiumax battery. This thing is super light. I'll put the weights up on us in a second, and we'll, this is our massive amount of weight reduction on the car. 900 cranking amps too, so it's a powerful battery. On the top, you've got a little button to push. Oh, it's upside down, but it lights up, tells you the current voltage, 14.1. So to mount that Lithiumax in the car, we have removed the standard battery, and we're just having a look here. Here's the cage that mounts the Lithiumax to the car. Now you could bolt this to a whole bunch of different things. They have a factory mount. For some cars, it's basically just a piece of like a plastic cutting board. So you can get one of those, cut it to fit, do the holes. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna move because the stock battery mounting tray in this car is metal, we're gonna remove that and mount it to that. Should be pretty easy to do. It should be nice, and it'll be nice and firm. Just 4 bolts and that'll hold it in. This tray is only held in by 4 13mm bolts, so we'll remove these quickly and remove the tray and see what we got to work with. See if there's enough material and space on the bottom to clear some more hardware. Since it's all about the weight reduction, we'll get the scale. Now, have a little look here. So that is the Lithiumax battery mount. This is the upright mount, and it's attached to, this is the factory tray. So I've removed it, drilled a couple holes, used a 6mm bit, just easy, just literally set it up, drilled straight through, and bolted it on with some screws. They're just I used a 15mm M5, or you can use an M6 bolt with the 6mm drill bit. Super easy to do, only takes a second. So that is metal, so that is going to add some weight. I do have the weight of this battery on its own. I'll put on in a second from when we put it in the Audi. There you go, it's pretty light, but we'll just, while it's here, we'll compare with this mount on it. Obviously the other stock battery won't have that mount. So 4.5 kilos was the number there with the mount. So it's a lot lighter than actually without the mount, but because that's metal, it weighs a bit. Now let's get the big battery on it. The stock big battery, I cannot lift. Oh, I can barely lift it with one hand. Let's get it on here. 18.7 kilograms. So that is a massive thing. So without the mount on it, it weighs 4.2 kilos. So if we take the massive weight of that, subtract the 4.2 kilos, we have just saved 14.5 kilograms from up high in this vehicle over the front. So that's a pretty massive weight savings. Seems like a lot of money. I mean, in here they're not a cheap battery, but it is a lithium battery, and compared to carbon fiber body components and stuff like that, it's the easiest weight savings you're going to get. Like, to do that, it was going to cost you thousands to do in wheels, and same with seats and everything like that, where this works fine. And then you can go, if you want, there's a new bigger battery they've just released apparently, and it's a Bluetooth monitored one, so you can check the voltage on your phone, but easy enough. Most guys hook up trickle chargers because they don't drive these cars every day. Really simple to do on these. So that's the terminals there, and you've got little screws on the side. So I do have a trickle charger for this that I use, and it's got little eyelets, and you can just put a screw here, have it permanently wired in, and then you just connect the cable when you need it. Nice and simple design. And of course there we can check the current voltage, 14.1. And there's a jump start function on these too, so you can hold that down and get just a burst to just get a jump start. If it is really, really dead, it'll always save some battery, some juice to be able to do that jump start function. So that's it. We'll get it in here now and bolt it up. You see there, the battery actually covers the fuel pump. So step back into our frunk and position this accordingly. So pretty easy to get back in here. Just take it out the same way it came in. It just goes back on those 4 studs. That is super secure. The 4 bolts in that bracket hold it down really, really well. And we've got lots of room on our positive and negative terminals. But look at the size of that. That is just a small little battery, perfect for this application, and so much lighter. You know, lift it up with just your hand instead of having to get in here and break your back. So we'll check the nuts back on those studs. Yeah, if you've ever had to try to put together sliders and stuff for race seats, yeah, it saves a bit of weight, but this is just amazingly easy weight reduction. You don't have to, you know, it's easy enough to drill those holes in that metal tray underneath it. Just takes a second. And if you want to put the stock battery back in, you can, no big deal. You got some little holes, and what you've done, you've actually cleaned up a little bit under here. Like I said, we had a lot of debris in the, one of the drains was completely clogged. I didn't realize it. These don't have to be super tight. They surely weren't super tight before. And now we'll connect our terminals. So yeah, we do positive first. Easy. And we'll snug that up. It doesn't need to be super tight because it's the lead. It's just got to be snug so it doesn't move. And we'll do the negative. There we go. The car now has power again. Try to get that a little bit lower. There we go. Fantastic setup. Put our battery cover on and we're done. So that's the easiest way you're going to shave some massive kilos from the front of your car, from anywhere in your car, really. I mean, you could technically mount this somewhere else in your car if you want to extend the cables out. Some guys put them down on the floor. Down on the floor in the front, guys will put them down there, but factory placement is just easy enough. So definitely recommend one. Had it in a couple cars now. I've got a few friends within other cars, and they've got a few little options instead with that new Bluetooth version. But yeah, that's not a paid one. I paid full price for this, but highly recommend getting one for your own car, for track car, your road car as well. If you want a high performance lightweight option, easy to do. So to help out these guys, they are an Australian company. I do have a code that they have given me, and that'll give you 5% off your purchase if you want to get one. I get nothing of that at all, just to make that clear, but to help out another Australian company, real global product. The code is in the link in the description down below with the link to their page, and definitely recommend you pick one of these batteries up.